Now, moving on to the circulation of blood in our body. First, the blood that has been used by our body enters the heart through two big veins called the superior and inferior vena cava. From that, the blood goes to the right atrium and through the left ventricles. The left ventricles pumps the blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Now that the blood is in the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Now, the oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart through pulmonary veins, then goes through the left atrium and through the left ventricles. And from that, the left ventricles pumps out the now oxygenated blood to the body to use. So, in short, in the right side, it receives the oxygenated blood and pumps it to the lungs. Now, in the lungs, the blood gets oxygenated. Now, in the left side, it receives the oxygenated blood and sends it to the body to use. And that is the simple explanation of the circulation of blood in our body. And the last thing that we're going to talk about is the endocrines, glands, and hormones. And the last thing that we're going to talk about is the endocrine systems, glands, and hormones. The first one is the pituitary glands. It is the master glands that controls other glands and is responsible or manages our growth, blood pressure, and reproduction. Next is the thyroid glands. It manages our metabolism, which impacts both our energy and weight. Next is the parathyroid glands. Parathyroid glands manages our calcium levels. Managing this is important for our bones and nerves. Next is the adrenal glands. Adrenal glands produces cortisols for stress and adrenaline for our fight or flight response. Next is the pancreas, which is responsible or manages both our digestion and hormone productions. And lastly is the pineal glands, which produces melatonin that regulates our sleep. And those are the three essential systems that helps us function in our body. Without one of those three, our body cannot function properly. And that is all for my video presentation. Thank you for watching.